Describe a valuable item that you would like to gift as a gift. To whom you would like to gift? What do you want to gift? Why do you want to give it? How long would you need to save for it? I like giving something to my family members and friends, and I also equally like receiving something as well. Today, I'd like to talk about one expensive item what I want to buy for my father. From my childhood, I consider this man as my real hero in my life. When I was a children, I went through some process. Sometimes I wanted to purchase something valuable to my father. On that time, my father always try to purchase for myself. So one day, one of my friend who bought a brand new cycle and went to the schools, and I explore this cycle, and I went to my father and said to him, I also wanted to these cycles as my friends. On that, subsequently, my father tried to manage some money from my relatives and purchased one brand new cycle, and it color was the red. From that time, I determined when I grew up, I also buy a motorcycle from my father. Nowadays I am a student, so it was really totally difficult for me to purchase one brand new motorcycle. That's why I try to manage some money, and sometimes I try deposit from my tuition fees. That's it.